This is your dashboard, the command center for your whole resale business. Up top, you get a quick health check and a greeting, and over on the right, you can switch the time range: today, 7 days, 30 days, year to date, or a custom range. The new listing button is always right here when you want to start something new. Just below, if SellSeva spots listings on your connected channels that haven't been fully imported yet, it flags them here, with one click to import them. The page reads as a numbered story, top to bottom. First, the action queue. One ranked list of what actually moves revenue right now. Urgent buyers to reply to, publish failures to fix, single channel items to cross-list, each with the count, the dollar impact, and a button straight to the fix. The Alert Center up top opens the full list. Second, business at a glance. The money view. 6 headline numbers, left to right: net profit, revenue, and items sold, then sell-through, coverage, and average ROI, each compared to last year. Open Analytics takes you deeper. Third, revenue intelligence. This one's AI-assisted. It reads profit, coverage, inventory age, and risk together. Across the top, you've got tracked revenue, net margin, profit gap, and a risk score. And the chart below plots your revenue and profit against your target pace and the AI forecast. The tabs let you switch between signals. Fourth, marketplace profit mix. Your channel's ranked by net profit, so you can see at a glance which marketplace is earning the most. And the AI readout underneath sums up what needs attention and your top sourcing signal. Fifth, operations. The health of everything running behind the scenes. Inventory health, with your active and stale items by age. Marketplace coverage, and where your gaps are. A profit waterfall from revenue down to net, plus your automation activity, and your system and connection health. Sixth, buyers and sourcing. Cross-platform buyers shows who's actually messaging you across your marketplaces. Sourcing intelligence tells you what to buy more of, what to be careful with, and your top brand. And your growth plan and limits show how much of your plan you've used and when it resets. And seventh, what needs you? The Do It Now section. On the left, active listings needing attention, each with views, sell-through, and ROI, and a relist or retry publish button. On the right, your latest buyer messages, each with a suggested AI reply ready to send. And at the bottom, your goals: revenue, profit, and listing pace against target. So that's the dashboard, top to bottom. What to act on first, how the money looks, what the AI is reading, your channels, your operations, your buyers, and the goals you're tracking to. Everything you need to run the day on one screen.